Na tukirongoreria ciĩgie mathomo na mĩeke ya mawĩra, na nĩ atĩ thirikari kugerera ministry ya Ukinyaniria itongoretio ni minista wa rũhonge rũrũ niwe Eliud Owaro nĩ ĩkĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ĩkĩhe mbeu njithi kothi cia moko kana mathomo ma kothi cia ũkinyanĩria wa kiriu. Owaro na ũrĩa warĩtie cukuru-inĩ wa St Mary's thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Siaya hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kũrugũrio kana kĩhingũro kĩa labu ĩmwe ya kiriu, nĩaugĩte atĩ ũyũ nĩ mũbango ũmwe wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza wa gũkinyanĩria na gũthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra na makĩria kugerera nenda cia ũkinyanĩria.
In the bottom-up economic plan, our policy framework for government, ICT is at the center of it. We are going to launch these digital laboratories in educational institutions. We are also going to connect internet all over the country so that we have reliable, affordable, and stable internet. ICT is the single critical success factor for this country moving forward. The world is today one global digital economy, and Kenya cannot be left behind. Jobs that we have today, most of them are resident in the digital space, and they'll pay very, very, very well. They are already paying extremely well. I want to promise that some of the challenges that we have been talked about, we will liaise with work together with your member of parliament, but we will also liaise with other levels of government, starting with the Ministry of Education and the top echelons of government, to see that in the not too distant future, you have that what you are calling high-level what? A two-level laboratory. In the next 1 month or so, I'll come back here and also give a set of uniforms to the basketball team. Oh. Yeah? Today we were here to launch the digital laboratory here. And the purpose of this digital laboratory is to empower you by way of digital skills. ICT skills is imperative today in life. In everything that you are going to do, you require ICT skills.
Na hiyo ni mitaratara ya thirikari kũringana na minista ũcio wa ũkinyanĩria nĩ Eliud Owaro.